lice. Lice? The nurse gave me this pamphlet. It has all the info you need.
Just put it on the table. We'll have to vacuum, wash, and disinfect anything Eddie has touched in the past 24 hours.
I have a better idea.
I have lice.
It's spreading.
Bao Bao, my baby.
I'm sorry. The needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few.
At least poke air holes in the top.
You mean lice doors? No.
Evan, quit your yapping. Being homeless is awesome.